Firstly, we complete the two predefined function, working of two predefined function. Please, 1 second. I explain you short and a short already. These predefined functions have been done na, in yesterday's session. Rakhi, are you able to hear my voice? Hello? No, no, no. Yesterday, short and a short a or a short yeah AR short is on yesterday. Okay, we haven't done that, na? Okay, let's start with the sort function. Sort is a predefined function. Means sort function provided by PHP. It's mostly used in a array type of variable. What is the array type of variable, Raki? What is the array type of variable? Sorry, actually there is some interruption. You can say again. I didn't get your voice. Yep. Array type of variable means a variable which can hold the multiple values. It can be a integer values or it can be a string value or float value. Okay. Just create a array type of variable. Take AR. This is array keyword. This is a predefined keyword we have to use before we are creating our variable. Okay, okay. This is the simple array type of variable called $ARR. This is a user defined. You can use any name. Okay, let's print it. Print underscore r is also a predefined function to print the value and indexes of array. See in the browser. Yeah, this is our array. Means in this is the index, automatic generated index. On index 0 the value is 10, on index 1 value is 30, and on index 2 5, and on index number 3 there is a 70. Okay, if we want to sort our array, means sort a ascending order or a descending order. Each sort function, what the sort function do is the sort our array in ascending order. Ascending order means first is the smallest value of our array. First in the first index will come the smallest value of array, and so on. And the second largest, and second smallest, after the third smallest, and the in the end the largest value. Okay, okay. Let's try. Just proper display. I echo the BR tag. This is the syntax of our sort function, and we have to pass a array type of variable within the sort function. Okay. Now, if we print our variable, same variable, okay, can you guess what will be the output? Okay, okay, great. Smallest come first. 5, 10, 13, 17. Okay, you got the logic of the sort function? Yeah. If we want to sort our array in reverse order, means descending order. So there is also one function called, yeah, in descending order. R sort means reverse sort. Just have to pass a array type of variable as this is our array type of variable. Now, if we print our array variable, it will sort in descending order. Means largest value comes first. Okay. This is our sorting function of array. Now there is two more important predefined function provided by PHP. They implode and explode. Okay, firstly we are going to discuss about explode. Okay, let's declare a string type of variable and assign any string on this variable. Single quotes means it's a string. Whatever you have, you are going to write within the single quote, it's consider as a string. Okay. You can just echo, don't need to write all the print underscore r, because this is a simple string type of variable. Yeah, this is a string, a simple string variable. I just echo that. Okay. If we use explode function, means what does the explode do? In the explode function, this is the syntax of explode function. You have to use, there is a delimiter or a separator. You can say a separator means what is our string. This space is space a space and the string. This is our string. Okay. So we can use, if we want to divide our string, or divide our string means you can, the simple explode function, what does the explode function do? Just divide your string and save it to a variable, but in the array format. How it works, let's see. I just use here space. You can, do you see the space? I use the space. Okay. And here our variable, a string type variable, str, same column, but the it returns the output. So we have to assign the output in any variable. Now just try to print this str. Let's see in the browser. One str1. We have to print str. Str. What is the str? This is the str, and we assign the result in str1. Okay. One second. Sorry. One silly mistake. What is the output? It, our string is divided into a array type of variable, or divided by a space. Raki, hello, Raki. Our, this is our string. Okay, the str. We just echo the str. We got this output, and and after that we, what we use explode function. Explode function, we exploding our string by space, and there is we are passing our string type variable. Now this function, what does this function do is explode our string into a array type of variable, and output will be saved to str1. Now str1 is a array type of variable. Okay. So this is the, sorry, and this is the output. We echo in or print our str1. This is the output of str1. Means zeroth position is assigned this, invert in first index assigned is divided by a space. Okay. Lucky, you got the working of explode function. Do you have any query about that? Yeah, you can ask. Oh, you got it, na? Is okay, okay. It means just okay, okay. Just explode function. What? Just remember that explode function just divide our string variable into a array variable, array type of variable by any divider. This is, we can call divider space. There is a space. Okay. By the space we can divide our string, or any, yeah, not only space. We can use any other and the other, if we use here plus or comma, means if our string is comma separated, and we have to use here comma, so it will be the same output for array. Here is, this is our string type of variable with comma separated. Okay, this of comma is comma a comma and a string. So our explode function, what the explode function do is just divide our string into a array type of variable. Okay, now there is a one more function is implode. Implode is the reverse of explode, you can say. The is working of implode function is reverse of reverse compared to explode function. How it works, let, let's go, I'll explain you. So implode function will also return a value, so we have to assign it any variable. If we echo str2, see in the browser, what does the include function did? Just convert our array type of variable into a string, just concatenate or just add the our all the element of array into a string. Lucky, is there any query about the include or explode? Okay, okay, just move ahead. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the scope of our variables. Means our variable where we can access our variable or where we cannot access the declared variable. Okay, user defined variable. Okay, let's start the scope of our variable. If we declare a variable, let's see $a equals to 5. We declare and assign $a with 5. Okay, it's a simple, just print the 5. If we use this echo before that, there is a notice, or you can say warning, undefined variable. You are able to see the screen, and why it is coming? Because we are defining our variable after we, after the echo. Yeah. So we have to define our variable before we using this. Okay. So this is a simple example. If we are using any function, means let we declare a variable, and our any we have any user defined function. User defined function. What are the user defined function, Raki? Yeah, yeah. I'm listening. Okay. Yeah, the functions which we will create, means the user creates the function, not the predefined. Predefined function are the provided by PHP. That is the predefined, and user defined function is the we create the function for our use. If we echo our variable within the function, we declare here. Okay, tell me, we can echo here or not? Is there any problem with this code? Okay, let's see in the browser. Uh, there is no result because a is a variable, is not. This is variable $a. Are you there, Raki? Okay. The scope of any variable within the function is different, or before the function is different. This a, we can't access this a within the function. Okay, this is the local code. And if we declare a variable a and just assign in that to the echo, 1 second. Okay, if we want the echo, we have to call our function also. So let's call our function. Let's check first condition. There is a parse error. Undefined Yeah, undefined variable. There is a notice or we can say warning of undefined variable because this scope of our variable is not within any user defined function. This is a this is not we can't access this variable within any function, user defined function. We have to declare any other variable, or we have to assign any other value or same value within the function, then only we can access that variable. Okay, so within this is called a local variable. This is local variable. A variable within the function is a local variable. 3, if we echo any after this echo, what will be the output if we echo again $a 5? Why it is coming 3 and 5? Because 3 is coming because of this echo $a. So this variable is not this variable. This is the totally different variable. This is the local variable for this function, and this a is the variable for the script but not for this function. So when we echoing $a here, means we are echoing this variable, and if we echo outside the echo of $a, means we are echoing this variable. These two variable is different variables, means this is the local for this function and this is the local for our script. Okay, Raki? What is now we are moving further. Now we will see what is the static variable. Okay, we use global keyword, but after some session there is also a global keyword for use the global variable. This is the keyword we use in the future session. Today we are seeing the static variable. What is the static variable? How we use the static variable? Okay. Firstly, just I create a function, a user defined function called a my test. Okay, and I'm declaring a variable as a static with initialize with 0, and, and just echoing that variable. And every time whenever our function is called, we just increment that variable. So in the very first time if we call our function, let's remove this. In the very first time what is the output? Output will be the 0. Okay. If we call in second time, so output will be 0, and then second time the our variable will be increment by 1, and output will be 0 and 1. Why? Because we just declare our variable with the static keyword. Static also a predefined keyword. Whenever we declare any variable with the static keyword, means our variable is going to hold the previous value. If we don't use this, what will the happen? See in the browser. Both time it's print the 0. Means in the first time when we call the first time, the variable is assigned with 0. Okay, echo and increment. But when it increment, but it is the normal variable. In the second time, it's assigned to 0. It didn't hold its previous value. Only static variable can hold its previous value. Did you get the logic of a static variable, Raki? Okay. The static variable can hold its previous value. Uh, we can use a real-time example is if uh, if we create any website, okay, and we want to know how much visitor visit our website. So we just assign a variable. We must declare a static variable in the home page or any other page, which is load every time whenever anybody just access our website. So if we declare as a static variable in that, every time whenever anybody access, we just increment this variable in by 1. So we can we can calculate the number of visitor by static variable. This is the real time example. Okay, Raki, are you there? Hello, Raki. Okay. So today's session, what we have learned, we learned the sorting method or sorting function of array. The sort function means the sort our array function, array variable in ascending order. The r sort, just sort our array in descending order. We use the explode function. What does the explode function do? Just explode our string into a array type of variable. And implode, what the implode does, just concatenate our string. Okay, we just see the scope of our variable. If we declare any variable, we can't use within the function, because within the function there is a local variable. Only within the function we can access only the local variable of this function. We can't access this variable. Yes, we can access by using a keyword, a global keyword. We will discuss that global keyword after, in the future session. Okay, after this we discuss about the static variable. What is the static variable? Static variable is the variable which can hold the previous value. Wh- so Whenever we access multiple times, we get the new value, not the multiple times we get the new value, not the initialized value. Okay. Okay, Raki, you got the today's session. Is there any query in today's session? Not now. Okay, great.